Well guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video, but as you can see in the distance, it's pretty dark over there. So we got some clouds going, supposed to have a whole bunch of rain coming in. But I'm gonna make a video anyway. And I'm gonna do it under the porch. It's all wet, you can see it all wet on the porch. See it down there? Look at that. It's all wet. It's kind of windy too. You can see my wife's plant. And you can see the trees and stuff blowing. We're gonna have some bad storms tonight. I'm hoping they don't get too bad to where I can't cook tonight, because I'm gonna cook on my small pit tonight. I got my little pit. I'm fixing to clean it out. I'm gonna make some tacos again, and they're gonna be some fajitas, but they're gonna be different. They're not gonna be the same way that I usually cook them. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna get everything ready later on here, because right now it's about 7:15, 7:20. It's still early. So I'm gonna get things ready here in a few hours. But I wanted to show you guys. Let me show you guys how it looks out here. Look, it's pretty dark. I mean, you got the wind blowing and everything. Porch is pretty wet. Got my dog right here too. Cece. Even Cece's holding the porch down with her dog food. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks, man. It looks real dark out here. It's supposed to rain all night. Good thing is I'm off tomorrow, so I'm okay. But other than that, you know, it's not too bad. But I'm gonna make this video today. It's gonna be me and my son again holding it down in the house. So, good. Well, I'm gonna go back inside, get things ready here, and like I said, in a few hours. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and get it all nice and clean and everything, and then I'm gonna get things going. And then, like I said, we're gonna I'll show you everything that I'm gonna use today. It's gonna be a little bit different. I think you're gonna like it this time. It's something different. But let me get back inside here, and then we'll get back to you. There's a lot of wind out here. Sounds like there's a tornado out here. Y'all hear that wind? Man. Y'all hear that? Sounds like 50, 40 mile an hour winds out here. Trying to check if there's a tornado on the radar. It is dangerous out here. Man, there's a lot of wind going on tonight. Y'all can hear it, right? Man, well, y'all be careful out there. We're gonna be careful over here. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering what I'm doing right here. Well, that right there is some chorizo. So like I said, I'm making some fajitas, and this is a part of the fajitas right here. It's just gonna be different, but I know it's throwing you off, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. I got you. I'm gonna let you know what's going on. But I got the chorizo going right here. It's 1:30 in the morning. Let me show you what's going on out here. I started my pit where I'm gonna throw my fajitas on, and look at that. Got it right here going on. I'm telling you, it's going on. So let me go ahead and get this going, and then I'm gonna come right back to y'all. Okay, so stick with me. All right, so the storm's kind of calmed down a little bit. I know y'all can't see much, but it's calmed down a little bit, the rain and all that. But I got my Mexican bulb onions, I got my fajitas right here, and I got my grill going here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape my grates, that way I can get them clean and good. I'm gonna throw my fajitas on there, and I'm gonna throw my onion bulbs on there, and we're gonna get this thing going. So I'm gonna show you guys how all that looks, and just let me do what I'm gonna do. I'm telling you, it's gonna all come together at the end of this video. So I got everything prepared inside, everything's ready to go. I just gotta cook my meat and everything, and then like I said, once I'm done, we'll come back to all of this. Okay, stick with me. Okay guys, so that's what I got going on. Got the fajitas, Slovak sausage with cheese and jalapeno, and then I got jalapenos on here. So wanted to show y'all a quick look of how that looks in there, and then let me show you what's going on in here. So let's step inside the house, and then this is right here the chorizo that I had going a while ago. It's cooking and it's pretty much almost done. I'm gonna show you guys next how this thing is gonna look, so stay tuned. All right guys, I got the Slovak sausage on with the Slovak sausage, jalapeno and cheese, Mexican bulb onions. I got the fajitas on. Man, this grilling, I'm telling you, it's gonna come out real good. So wanted to show you guys a quick snap pic of it, and I'm telling you, when it's all done, I'm gonna bring you back. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you that this mozzarella is mixed in right here with this chorizo right here. So it's chorizo, breakfast sausage, the chorizo, mixed in with mozzarella cheese, and that's how it looks like. And it's so good. You can't even tell. Look at the color. You can't even tell that it's that. But it's mozzarella cheese mixed in with chorizo, and then you eat it with your tortillas. And these tortillas right here, well, you know, I got them toasting right here, and I'm gonna add some more right here. But I just wanted to show you guys what that is. I'm putting my tortillas right over here. I got them right here, and we're gonna eat it all together. So I'm showing you guys what I got going on right here. And I got my pico de gallo with avocado, and I got my radishes and my tortillas going right here. But that's what I wanted to show you guys right here. So I'm gonna put this stuff together. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's all said and done. Well, I'm getting ready to pull this off, but I wanted to show you guys how all this looks like. I got my bulb onions right here. I got my grilled jalapenos. They're just grilling. I got my Slovak sausage with jalapeno and cheese right here. And then I got my regular Slovak sausage right here. And of course, I got the fajitas on the top. They're already done. But I just wanted to show you guys, you know, how it's looking and how it's coming out. But I got everything coming out good. I mean, it's all there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start pulling all this off because it's ready to go. So give me some time. I'm gonna put all this together, and then we'll be right back. And once I got it all together and put together, I'm gonna give you a clear picture of how delicious all this looks like. So it looks wonderful, don't it? It looks real good, I'm telling you. I got my chorizo and mozzarella, which is called choriques. Got my radishes. I got my pico de gallo with avocado. I got my corn tortillas. And then I got my grilled jalapenos, my grilled Mexican bulb onions, my grilled Slovak sausage, and my grilled Slovak sausage with cheese and jalapeno. And then I got my grilled fajitas. I'm telling you, it's real good. Oh yeah, you know, overall, it's a beautiful sight. It's good, I'm telling you. And it's about 2:22 in the morning, so we're about to eat it up right now. But yep, that's the final product, and we're about to tear this up. So I wanted you guys to get a glimpse of how this looks. So feeling good, done drank my alcohol, and man, I'm gonna call it a day. That's it. I'm gonna eat this up, me and my son. My wife's alarm just went off. She's about to go to work. She goes in at 3. With me, I'm in another world right now. I'm drunk as hell. So, but look at that. It looks so good. Man, I'm telling you, it's like a restaurant here in the MTZ household. So, but it's all good. It's all good. But hey, we'll see what I do in the next video. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but you know me, I always think of something else. But I'm about to eat this up. Then after this, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm pretty sleepy. But wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the good food that's about to go down. So, but overall, holla at me on the next video, and we gonna make it good. Peace out. Okay guys, so I got my tacos right here, looking mighty fine, and that's how it looks. Got everything on there: radishes, pico de gallo, fajitas, sausage, Mexican bulb onion. Man, the whole 9 yards. Look how good that plate looks. A moment of silence.
And I don't want to be rude in any way when I'm recording. So